Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to take apart your PS4. And so the first thing that you're going to do is all these stickers right here, you're going to go ahead and take them off, or you're going to remove them, whatever you want to call it, as I'm doing right now. And for these next stickers right here, they are the warranty, so you might want to check your warranty in case you don't want it to go bad, because as soon as you guys take this off, the warranty does go bad, or however you want to call it. Okay, so after you are done taking off those stickers, you are going to get a star-like screw, and you're going to remove the 4 screws on the back. Okay, so after you are done taking off the screws, what I did was I put it upside down and I snapped it off from the back, and as you can see, it's very, very easy to take off. And my back is really dusty, so after, you're just going to go ahead and clean that out. And right after you clean that out, as you can see, there is 2 metal brackets on each side with a Phillips screw. And all I did was I took a Phillips screwdriver and unscrewed both of those. Okay, so next what you're going to do is you're going to go and take a look, and you're going to see 3 black arrows, and they're pointing to 3 screws. So you're going to get this same star-shaped screwdriver that you use to unscrew the 4 screws of the back of the PS4 and unscrew those 3 screws. Next, you're going to go ahead and turn the PS4 around. Then you're going to see this plug-in with 4 wires. You're going to go ahead and remove the plug, and that is to the power supply. And make sure you remove that carefully so you do not rip any of the wires. Then you're going to get on both sides of the power supply and pull it straight up. Make sure you give it a good clean, because that will be really dirty and dusty. Then there's going to be this black little wire that you're going to go ahead and remove. There's also this white cable that you're going to go ahead and remove from both sides. You're also going to remove another plug with 4 wires that is attached to the motherboard. Then what you're going to do is remove these 3 star screws with the same star screwdriver. Then you're just going to go ahead and remove this little metal bracket out of the way. Then remove this one Phillips screw. Lastly, don't forget one last star-shaped screw that is under these 4 wires. Then you're going to remove the disk drive and clean out all the dust and dirt. Also, don't forget to clean out your dusty fan. All I used was tweezers to get out the bigger chunks of dust, Q-tips, and rubbing alcohol. Then you're going to go ahead and flip over your PlayStation and pop off the front cover. Then you will remove one Phillips screw that will then allow you to slide out the hard drive. Make sure to clean that out as well, and also the front cover. Lastly, you're just going to go ahead and reassemble everything. well, that is going to be the end of the video. I hope it helped you guys. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, turn on post notifications so you guys know when we upload, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!